Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my third video on the modeling series I started, which is to model these four items inspired by, that's the guy you're seeing on the screen right now. Okay, so I modeled the bottle. I gave up on the pen, but then I came back and modeled it. Now I'll be modeling the knife, this particular knife here. So I couldn't get the exact one he used, so I'll be using this one. Okay, with this I'll probably start a cube. This is not a tutorial video, this is just me because I love modeling but I'm not good at it, so this is just me trying to model and then show you guys how I go about it. So start, I should probably start with this part. Yeah, about that. Okay, so we have one side of the knife, that's the handle. We'll add all of these details later on. Should we just add them right now? Okay, we'll add them later. Let's come to this, right? So um I'll call it handle. I don't know if there's a name for it. So now this part, this part of the knife, this part here extends up to this point. So let me see if I can be tricky. So let's duplicate this. Let me see if that will work. Somewhere here, and then um instead of make, I just want to, let me see if I can just have, let's see, is that possible? Okay, let me just try it. So let me take this, this, and extrude, right? And then, okay, let me hide this for now. Okay, I think that might work. So now I just have to go to point move again, 0, and try and match. Yeah, and then I have to make this a little bit bigger. So this mode, and just, okay. And then just drag it out. Hope that's not so much. Just have to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, I think that's fine. So I will duplicate this and just move it this way. Okay, so let me see. I have to add this detail here. Let's go to the knife. See something is going on here. I just have to. Okay, here's our knife, looking nice and sharp. Okay, so now let's add these details here. Okay, people, so that's our knife. That's the closest I could get. I always mention, oh, I missed something. This knife is showing here. Okay, I'll correct that. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll just end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Next week I'll model the headphone or neck phone. I don't know what I call. Um, yeah. So as you can see, my modeling skills is getting better. I'm improving. So this is it. This is not looking bad. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, drop a like. There are better videos coming up. These all these ones are just warm up, me getting started with my YouTube and all. But don't worry, there are great contents coming. So stay tuned. Just turn on the notification and stay tuned. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.